Here is my first sublimation tutorial. This is the printer I use. This is the things I use: sublimation paper, sublimation ink, and heat transfer tape I didn't use for this project, and heat machine. This is the picture I took it from someone's Instagram because I like the art, and also I was in a rush to try for sublimation project, and I just printed out the picture. And this is my old shirt that I used. I don't want to ruin my new shirt, so I thought to try it on old shirt. If you are also beginner like me, you can also try on your old shirt, so don't waste your new shirt. So first I press it, and after that I first put the paper, and I realized that it will transfer ink maybe, so I just put the parchment paper underneath so ink will not transfer to other side. And after that I put the paper, and I realized I did mistake. I didn't put the tape, so it will not move anywhere. So I was lifting also to see if heat is transferring. It was my mistake. And after that I put it on the high heat, and then after that 30 seconds I put it heat on both side, and it was transferring. It was okay, it was working. So but I was keep lifting and checking that is it transferring or no, so I was not sure. So then after that, this is the picture that it was first time, and I lift the picture, and after that once I put it back I ruined the shirt. And then this is the leftover ink, and this is the picture again I printed. It was not printed well before, like before. And then after that this time I put the tape, and I applied heat on it, and this is the picture was dull this time.